Slashed. Why? Huh? Okay, let's set things up. Control V. Come on, what's going on? Okay. All right, so we are live today. Okay, so this was the sell zone of yesterday. It ended here. All these zones we traded, right? So and I have 2 buy zones for today. Okay, so we have 2 buy zones. That's the first one to the right, to the left, and this is the other one. Of course, this was a former resistance here. If you can see, this was a resistance which gold respected to sell, but broke out with a weak candle and still came back to sell, and then finally testing the resistance more than 3 times, which makes it much more weaker, not to be respected. Okay, but in the main, this resistance now becomes support, right? So we expect gold should test here and then start buying from the resistance becomes support, but still that doesn't mean it's the case always. Still doesn't mean it's the case. So this now I'm gonna type support here just in case. Okay, I know some people want to buy in the support exactly when they saw gold coming back into the super bowl. It's not advisable to buy like that. It's advisable you wait and see reaction first. Okay, you wait and see reaction, which means this thing you're seeing now isn't a support anymore, but has become resistance. As long as this candle is gonna close below it, although we have 1 minute, so it's now a support because it closed with a weak inside, so there's possibility it's going to buy back. Okay, which is not even certain, or even sell back down to this buy zone. But for now, we're gonna wait for our buy zone. So what I should expect gold to do is either from here start buying. Okay, from here to start buying, or we head back into our buy zone from here, boom, coming back here. So that's the two ideas I have for gold today. Okay, so let's see which one works out. Of course, it's gonna buy. But I like seeing confirmations first before buying any support. Yeah, candle closed inside the support with a week, which shows that yes, it respected the support. But I want to see this still 1 hour candlestick closing bullish before I'll totally agree that yes, it's gonna buy in the support. Okay, so don't just make assumption. Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Channel link in bio. Okay, so I'm gonna pin this. Pin it. So let's see. Well, yeah, that's what we're gonna wait for. Okay, so no need to rush into the market. I'm gonna wait patiently. As long as this 1 hour candle here, this blue that is just trying to do whatever it's doing here, closes bullish above this my rectangle. You can see this is my rectangle. That was resistance, which now becomes support. As long as it closes above here bullish, then I'm gonna take a buy inside here. All right, so that's just it. Aside that, I'll wait for gold to come back into the buy zone, or these two buy zones we have here, shifting you to here. Okay, so that's just the two things we have for today. You don't even trade today because I made a lot of profit yesterday. I should be resting. This is currently 370 plus pips. Let's just give it 400 pips. Exactly 400. Okay, from yesterday, 400 plus pips yesterday from the setup, from the sell zone. That was what I made yesterday, so I should be resting. I've made this 400, 270, 170, all within this week. We've made all that. So I should be resting today. But well, it is what it is. That's trading for you. Okay. So let's see what today has to offer for good. First, okay, posted. All right, so let's see where we are. Currently on 6 people. So that's just the 2 possible ideas. Okay. It's just patience. Just patience here. You just need to be patient. If gold is gonna respect this support, because it has already even breaking out, that's broken out with a week. It even proves that this support is not like that strong as we thought it should be. So I just need to see a bullish candle. This one that is trying, we have 51 minutes to decide. Just push up, close above this my rectangle bullish, then I'll call out the buy. Aside that, push down, close here bearish, boom, I'm gonna call out the sell. So this buy zone. So we have one buy zone here and still have another one below here. So 2 buy zones. Just today I'm looking to buy, only buy. Okay. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, comments. Let's chat, guys. Let's talk. I'm gonna connect my
Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things
Okay.
unsaid.
Who's this? Vignesh said hi. He's waving. Thank you for waving. Let me find to connect my camera. Now video. Let's see how sketchy I could be. Okay. No way, bro. Oh fuck. Let's go back to that website. Yeah, so that's just what I was expecting. Just this continuous bullish. Immediately it closes like this, I'm gonna say bye. Okay, so let's just be patient. This is me here being patient. Okay, I'm gonna rush into the markets. Okay, it's currently flying. It is gonna go up. Oh well. There's some rocket there, guys. That's some rocket. Okay, that's rocketed up. Okay. Ooh. Let me see my room. Okay. We're still gonna be observing. Nothing to rush about. Nothing to rush about. Just be observing. Let me on my mouse. Plenty things on this table today. I'll bring you closer. Good. Okay. So I guess good is trying to do the first one. So as long as it keeps pushing up here, closing above here, then we're gonna wait for a pullback and then we take a buy. By that, which is gonna leave the market for itself. Okay. It's the best idea not to trade. It's good to not trade than trade impatient setups. Okay, it's good to not trade than trade impatient setup. Oh. Okay, well, that's nice. I think it's better. Yeah. I'm gonna have it. Let's see what's here. Currently watching myself. Let's see. Well, meanwhile, I'll just use my time and do other things. For now, I'll just be watching the markets. And I think instead of spending time. Let's see, play all those games. What's a single game in this tab? That's crazy. Not even a single game. So let's talk, guys. Anyone can drop any comments, ask me any question, and I'm gonna answer. Any question you ask me, I'm gonna give you an answer. Just except I don't have an answer to that question. Okay? As long as it's about me and about trading, I'm gonna give you an answer. Okay? So what do they ask me anything? Okay? AMA. That's the English, right? Ask me anything. And so that we get the chat moving. Okay? Just ask me anything. Meanwhile, I saw this buyer that supports, but at the beginning I said yes, it has closed inside support, so it should push up or come back down like this. Well, we missed this. That's like, let's see, buying inside here, that's like 100 pips currently already. I already know that if some had bought in this support, it must have taken them out. Okay, so it didn't use this first support, it used this second support, it used this FVG instead. Wow, how didn't I see this? Sometimes I do forget FVG. Use FVG instead. Let's see what made good buy. This is a fair value gap here. How didn't I see that? I missed that. Okay, this is a fair value gap, so good. But in the fair value gap, wow. FVG, let's type that. FVG. So normally or usually, if it's gonna buy in an FVG, it's gonna buy in the middle of that FVG, but this didn't reach the middle, just tapped into the FVG and went back. So support FVG, boom, and buy zone. So we've missed this buy zone actually. If gold doesn't come back to my buy zone, then we are not trading. Meanwhile, I forgot we have Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin. I actually drew this as a buy zone for Bitcoin because it was already selling according to this setup I made. Of course, I actually drew that zone as a buy zone for Bitcoin, or full take profit as buy zone. So as long as this 1 hour 2 doesn't come back here, it still closes above this buy zone. It's still gonna take a buy back to the zone. Okay, so it's more like the same setup with gold. It's almost like the same, more like the same thing. Buying back to here or coming back like this. Almost the same thing with gold, guys. Am I trading the same thing? Can't be. Can't be almost the same thing. Well, that's just by the way. Gold has already gone to where it wants to be. Of course, that's left us behind. Okay. I said, ask me anything. Nobody has asked me anything. Well, I think just people are just here, just watching. They're not observing. So
water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Just saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Want me on your song, throw a couple steps, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
Well, that was some bullish. So we're gonna wait for that 1 hour candlestick to close before we can decide to take a buy or not. Then I'm gonna find the demand or supply in any way it is, and then take a buy, and then we keep riding it. For now, I don't think good is gonna come back into our buy zone. Okay.
I said I'm moving too far. Getting lost. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in a game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Getting lost.
just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in small, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive.
With YouTube Premium, watch ad-free videos and listen ad-free on the YouTube Music app. One subscription, 2 apps. Set up automatic downloads and watch offline, in the background and on the go. Try 1 month free of charge.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights
is more to love with YouTube Music Premium. Listen to ad-free songs and discover new podcasts anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby? Why do we always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you would always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do
Well, any perfume that you recommend, bro? Yeah, bro. Perfume is in my channel. The link in my bio. It's funded next. That's the perfume you can use. That's the perfume I know about. And then the next FTM and that. Those are the two perfumes I know. But I don't even advise trading perfume. Like trading my own money. This perfume will just give you fucking shitty rules that you can't even follow. So I don't advise trading perfume. But if you want to make money, you know how to trade. You can buy perfumes. You pass them, yeah, you get your payouts. Fine. If they don't pay you, then it's on you. Because you can't catch them, you can't tell them anything. There's nothing you can do.
YouTube Music app. One subscription.
Okay, so that's it.
Try 1 month free of charge.
For 6 minutes.
There is more to love with YouTube Music Premium. Listen to ad-free songs and discover new podcasts anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
With YouTube Premium, you can watch ad-free, offline, and in the background, and listen ad-free on the YouTube Music app. One subscription, 2 apps. Continue watching the highest quality videos from anywhere by seamlessly switching devices. Set up automatic downloads so your favorite videos are ready when you are, and play videos when your screen is off or when you use other apps. There's more to discover with Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
Well, we are still waiting. Even buying at that place will still be buying high, so I assume we've totally missed our buy zone, guys, for today. So we just need to relax. Okay, instead we go for Bitcoin. Instead of waiting for gold, we buy Bitcoin, right? So that's me buying Bitcoin right now. Okay, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. That's the sound of buying Bitcoin. So let's see where it takes us to. Okay, so I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. Really. I hear the sound of me buying Bitcoin. Good. I just bought Bitcoin and see where it takes me to. But for gold, I think it's too late. Even if you're gonna buy it now, it's fucking too late, guys. So I'm not gonna advise anybody to buy gold or whatever because it's too late. But for Bitcoin, I'm gonna take a buy here. And since I'm buying, this is gonna be my stop loss. But exactly here, right? Stop loss will just be below here. So I'm gonna buy in the middle like this. Pending the pullback. Already bought already too. Buying here, and stop loss is gonna be somewhere here, just 40 pips. And then I'm gonna target just short 200 pips up to here. Okay, so that's that for Bitcoin. It's either we get this buy up, stop. So Bitcoin, that's it.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen ad-free, offline, and in the background. Plus, download podcasts for listening on the move. Try 1 month free of charge.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Saying if I hate you, then
Well, I just have 1 more minute to stay in this live. I just have 1 more minute. Buy buying Bitcoin. Since I've missed gold, so I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. Okay, buying Bitcoin right now.
You like a sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave.
It is a sad moment to say yes, we've missed gold, and of course, it has closed bullish. So you might want to decide to take a buy there, but that's not my advice, guys, because I like waiting for setup. Taking buy there is more like a high buy.
You like a
Okay, buying gold exactly here is too high because we still have a small resistance here that gold used to sell
YouTube Premium,
that
enjoy ad-free videos,
yesterday
plus
for
the YouTube
is
Music
it
app.
okay
One
see it should
subscription,
be CPI also,
try one
so we
month
still
free of
have it
charge.
here, which we can see gold just reaching there and just reacting backwards. So I'm not gonna advise anybody to buy anywhere. Just wait for this buy zone, okay? It's very advisable and very safer. So no need. You might even, instead of buying, take a risk and sell. But nothing here, no clear view here, no buy. Don't buy. Just wait for this buy zone and this buy zone. Okay, that's that for gold. And then for Bitcoin, I've already entered a buy on Bitcoin here and riding it up to 200 pips. If it doesn't, risking just 40 pips. That's my highest risk. So thank you for joining and see you on the next live.